Hello dear people, I wanted to tell you about one important thing when you use cycles integration into Softimage, because there's one important settings with one important option. I wanted to show you how to create a depth of field, because you can do the same in Blender and in Softimage program. Today I will show you what step I have done. But you have to install first cycles render engine option. You have to install that plugin. When you go to add-ons, install. But I will show you name of the plugin. You can download from current web page and the documentation as well. This is documentation which is around 22 megabytes. I will show you topic which I will talk about today. I just have to check something. How to render motion blur. I think it's not motion blur. How to render depth of field. This is what I will be talking about today. What steps you're supposed to do. But you will have to have separate window. We have an option like cycles camera, but to be able to add this to the camera, you have to have camera selected. I think they mentioned to select, when you go to camera view, that icon, make sure you select interest, because this is important as well, but you will see where point of interest is, because this will define where depth of field will be the most visible. Where depth of field will be exactly visible. I just have to check something. Display options, intensity. I wasn't able to see exactly because shadows, it seems to be a little bit too dark. Okay, you see point of interest. I think you have to make it visible, because this is important. Say, when you use point of interest, you will be able to set depth of field properly, because depth of field will stop when you move point of interest above desired object. Okay, after that we have to select the camera object, but make sure you, when you split windows, make sure you go to user view, so you will be able to see camera. I think in render option we select property, cycles property, add the camera property, aperture size. I think in the documentation, okay, so it is 1, value 1. Aperture ratio, if we decrease this, depth of field will be looking completely different. You can use option region tool. Sorry, my dogs are barking. They are arguing about bone. Mika Gracie Chico, stop. You can see depth of field. But when we increase, I have to go back. Aperture ratio, I will have to use this tool again. Oh, it is now, it is not looking exactly the same. I have to check something, because I don't know if I decrease aperture size, what will happen. I just have to double check. Oh, oh, it's not the same. Sometimes it crashes because this is only Softimage integration login. Some people forgot. I have to pause my video and I will get back to you. Sorry people, I will have to do from the beginning because my application crashed for some reasons and now I will have to move point of interest once again. I don't like when Softimage crashes. No application is perfect. There is no perfect application. Any program can suddenly crash. It doesn't matter if Blender, Softimage, or whatever. Okay, we have point of interest. I don't know if I should add from the beginning. I haven't saved them. Oh, I saved my scene. I'm a little bit worried about the scene, about application, because application sometimes it's not perfect, but it is okay. For me, it is okay, because the development of the application was abandoned some time ago, but at least they some people still develop plugins and extensions. Okay, what I was thinking to do. Cyclist camera. Okay. After when we... Mika, guys, stop. Chico. When you increase this, I think that important option is as well. But this is to do how powerful our aperture will be. Number of blades rotation. I'm a bit worried about stability of the program. But I can wait a minute. I want to double check something. Oh, you can see how beautiful depth of field is after when I changed some settings. Okay, let's decrease this. Let's move this little bit. So this polygon area will be sharp. Everything else will be blurry. Okay, I will decrease this. Oh, you can see huge difference. I just have to check something. Render options, film. I just have to check something because it seems to be too bright. Okay, I will decrease this. Color management. Open color IO. Okay, I think I will have to double check. Oh, it looks so much better. You can see this closer object doesn't look sharp because we defined our point of interest. Point of interest is located here. I will move a little bit above star object, maybe in the middle, so you can see only the star will be sharp, everything else supposed to be blurry. What else I was thinking to show you, and I think I will have to check something. Cycles camera. This important is also this is important option as well. And I decreased that. Wait a minute. Camera. Field of view. I check field of view is important. This is like, I think I have to make some adjustments. I think now I should have vector. Oh, now it looks a little bit better. I think it is a little bit too dark. You can always check in render option. Render options. I will increase gamma little bit. Oh, definitely. Just give me a few seconds. Gamma, I will increase a little bit. Oh, now it looks more visible, so you can see a lot better. I think that's it. That's everything what I wanted to list to you. Sometimes this is not visible. I like very much. I like very much point of interest because you can rotate around the selection when you use point of interest. This allows me to model easily. Blender has similar feature called cursor to selected, so you can rotate around the selection when you use this utility point of interest. You can also scale this. I will have to check something. Camera interest. Make sure this is visible. I will have to check in Explorer because I don't know if you can hide this or not. Oh, visibility. We have visibility. Oh, yes, you can actually turn this on. What we got here? Display. Yeah, this is something else. But as I showed it to you, you can render depth of field inside Softimage. Let's check that last metal part of the circus wheel, because I'm modeling circus wheel. Okay, I will double check. Now I will use value like that. Oh, this is nice. This is looking nice. I think everything is to do with proper settings in it. Depending, or it all depends, aperture ratio. You can always check what setting will be the best, what option. Oh, that option seems to be okay. When I increased aperture ratio, so you can see that front metal part is visible. Okay, I will make it bigger. Oh, nice. It is looking quite nice. You can see where for orbit point of interest is. Okay, I'm finishing the video tutorial because I have to go to sleep. I hope you like my video tutorial. Bye.